And now let's place another one.
Dude.
Make a move and I shoot.
Dude, put down the portal again.
Fine.
You really got stuck in. Now I'm gonna...
See you later. Huh. No.
You cracked.
Ah!
Gotta start running.
Ah! The heck?
Catching you.
I'm peacing out. Oh wow. Please don't shoot.
Just a fine.
It's right here. Okay. Heh heh. No. That's right. Now there's the portal on you. Let's see what happens. Ah! Fine, I'll set it to retract.
I need the portal gun now. That thing's dangerous. Don't shoot. Don't shoot.
Fine. Here's the portal gun. No, don't do it.
Crack. Okay. Now, let's have some fun.
With what?
The portal gun, what do you think?
Okay, what are we gonna do?
Well, the CSI doesn't want it anymore, so guess it's ours.
Oh, that's
Let's
sweet.
go.
Okay. I'm gonna jump off the ledge.
No, don't, dude. You're gonna kill yourself. You're gonna kill yourself.
Yeah, come on.
Put down portal. Okay, dude, don't jump yet. Don't jump yet. I have to go
Oh, wow.
sit.
Okay.
The other portal. Just wait here for a little bit.
Okay. I'll just be staring at the portal. It sure is hard sitting on this ledge. Maybe I should jump. I don't know. Nah, I don't want to get stuck in space. Let's just wait till he's done. Oh, looks like he gave me the okay. Here we go. Whoa!
Alright?
Oh yeah, that was fun.
Let's try it again. Let's try. No, you might want to go first. Back first. Go ahead.
Yeah, I'll go through. Why not? Oh, looks like he's coming back. Go ahead.
Oh, here he is. Okay, let's retract. Go somewhere else this time.
Okay.
Retract. Okay, I'm gonna go retract the other one.
Okay.
Let's go someplace else.
This is fun.
What?
This is fun.
Yeah, I know it is. But they just stay inside and watch it.
Yep, that's great. Da 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 da. I'm bored of standing here. Let's go over here. Oh, here he comes. Where's the other portal? Right there? Right there?
Over there.
Okay.
I'm gonna set it down.
Okay. Here I go. Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Yep. Oh, here's Shirley.
Hey Shirley, how's it going?
What you guys doing?
We got this portal gun from the CSA.
Why don't you go ahead and jump in that portal?
Yeah, go ahead.
Sounds like a great idea.
All right, bye.
See you later.
All right, well, I'm going back. I don't know about you.
So am I. I'm gonna do it before you.
No! Oh, that's wonderful. We're connected.
Oh, we're stuck. Oh, this
yeah.
stinks.
This stinks, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm going to retract it. Okay. Well, I guess that this is the end.
Yep.